You thought Allah left you. He didn't. There were nights you cried quietly. No one heard, no one saw, but Allah knew. When your heart broke, He was there. When your dua felt empty, He was listening. When you said nothing, He understood. Sometimes life becomes heavy. Bills, family problems, health worries, loneliness. You keep walking, but inside you feel tired. You pray, but your heart feels dry. You read Quran, but your mind runs away. And slowly, a dangerous thought comes. Maybe Allah left me. But listen carefully. Allah never leaves His servant. It is we who close the door, not because we are bad, but because we are hurt. Do you remember a time you escaped a big problem, a sickness healed, an accident avoided, a loss that became a lesson? You called it luck, but it was Allah protecting you quietly. Even your tears are seen. Even your sigh is heard. Even your regret is counted as worship, because Allah loves a returning heart. This Ramadan is not ordinary. It is an invitation, not for perfect people, for broken people, not for scholars, for tired hearts. Maybe you missed prayers, maybe you made mistakes, maybe years passed. But Allah says, "My servant, come back." Ramadan is not about how far you went. It is about how gently you return. Tonight, don't do everything. Just do one thing. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and say, "Ya Allah, I'm tired. Ya Allah, forgive me. Ya Allah, help me come back." No big words, no perfect dua, just honesty. Allah loves honesty. There was an old man. He didn't pray for 40 years. One Ramadan, he went to the mosque. He cried. He said, "Ya Allah, I wasted my life." He died that year. People thought he was lost, but a scholar said he returned sincerely. Allah's mercy is bigger than his sins. Never think it's too late. You are not the only one struggling. Many people are quietly lost. Many hearts are silently crying. That's why this channel exists, not by a scholar, but by someone trying, just like you. We are learning slowly, returning slowly, trusting Allah slowly. If your heart feels far tonight, stay with us. We are returning together, step by step, to Allah. Return to Allah.